come with me, let me take you to a place that you've only heard about and you have no idea what a remarkable place it is.
Sicilians have had maybe 17 or 18 different invasions of the island. They don't know what the future holds. They do not know what's coming around the corners.
We have a different take about living, and that take is full. And it's full of joy, and it's full of trouble, but it's full of love, and it's full of passion.
Probably why I love Sicily the most is that, as elegant as it is, there is still an aspect that will never be tamed.
Well, it's precarious having volcanoes all around, but what volcanoes do is provide the most fertile soil there is.
Food is not about nourishing you. It's about nourishing your soul. It's about love.
They don't have our Protestant ideas of you have to work hard and make a load of money and hurry all the time to prove you're a good person. You're supposed to relax and enjoy other human beings, enjoy other human company. You see that in the way Sicilians treat children. They love children.
This is not a movie. This is something we confront every day. So sometimes people forget that Sicilians are mostly the victims of the mafia.
If you do not take part of my group, of my clan, you are my enemy and to destroy you.
It is all part of this magical place.
Ma poi viene anche a Milan.